Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to unbox and go through the setup process, and I will test this out and give my review for this Bissel Featherweight lightweight vacuum. And the model on this one is model number 2033M. But before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you read through all of the information on the box and any information that comes inside of the box before you go through the setup process or use this vacuum. Okay, I'm going to get you a look at all of the different sides of the box, and then I'll open up the box and we'll go from there. Okay, here is this side of the box. Okay, and with the packaging, make sure that you recycle what you can and dispose of the rest properly. Okay, I'm going to take these plastic bags off of all the different pieces here, and then get everything organized, and then I'll be back and we'll go from there. And also on all these bags there is warning information, so make sure that you read through all of that information. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so here is the paperwork that came with this vacuum, and make sure that you read through all of the paperwork that comes with your vacuum, including the user's guide. Okay, so here are the different parts and pieces that I got. And any time that you assemble anything with this, you want to make sure that the vacuum is both turned off and unplugged. Okay, so I guess I can talk about this piece first, and I'm not really sure what to say because it doesn't talk about it in the user's guide, and I also did not see any pictures of this on the box, so I'm not sure. Okay, so I looked at the website online where I bought this vacuum to try to figure out what this is for, and it looks like it's a crevice tool, and I'm going to show you how to install it. But before you do, you want to make sure that your vacuum is both turned off and unplugged. And you want to be careful when you do this because there are pinch points. Okay, I'm just holding on to the vacuum with one hand, and with the other hand I'm going to install the crevice tool into this part of the vacuum. And you just want to make sure that the crevice tool is secured all the way into place. All right, guys, and when you're ready to remove the crevice tool, you want to make sure that the vacuum is both turned off and unplugged. and you want to be careful because there are pinch points. And I'm just going to slowly remove the crevice tool from the vacuum. Okay, so here is the hand vacuum, and I'm going to open up where the dirt tank is here. And there's a latch right here, and when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. But I'm just going to open this up, and then I'll set this part down. And there is a filter in here, and I'm just going to remove the filter. This is what the filter looks like, and here's the inside of the dirt tank. And I'm just going to put the filter back into the dirt tank. And you just want to make sure that the filter is secured in the dirt tank properly. And then I'm going to attach these two parts. And on the back here, the bottom right here, there's a plastic piece that sticks out. And then on the dirt tank on this side, there's a piece where that goes. So, and like I said earlier, you want to be careful when you do this because there are pinch points. And I'm just going to line up those two pieces first. And then I'm just going to slowly push the two pieces together until that latch secures into place. There we go, and you just want to make sure that that latch is secured all the way into place. Okay, now I'm going to install the handle here. And there's a latch here on top. So I'm just going to line these up like this, and I'm going to lift up the latch and then install the handle. And when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. And I'm just going to install the handle. And then this latch here, I'm just going to push this down until it secures into place. And be careful because there are pinch points. There we go, now the handle is installed. Okay, so now I'm taking the floor nozzle and this piece here, and I'm just going to install this into this part of the vacuum. And when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. And I just moved to the floor here, so this was easier to do. And you want to make sure that this is installed all the way into place. So I'm just firmly pressing the removable floor nozzle into the vacuum. Okay, I'm about to plug the vacuum in, and before you plug the vacuum in, you want to make sure that the vacuum is turned off. So I'm going to plug the vacuum in now, and then I'll be back and I'll test out the vacuum. I'm just going to remove this here from the cord first. And I'll make sure that you dispose of this properly. I'm going to do that now, and then I'll be back. both turned off and unplugged. And I'm going to start by removing the removable floor nozzle. And when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. Okay. And then now I'm going to remove the handle. And when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. I'm just going to lift up on this latch here. And then I'm going to remove the handle. Our cat is curious. I'm just going to set the handle down there. And now I'm going to close this latch. And when you close the latch, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. And now I'm going to secure the latch into place. And same thing, when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. Okay, now I'm going to test out the vacuum using it in the handheld mode. Okay, I have the vacuum both turned off and unplugged, and I put on some additional safety equipment because I'm going to take off the dirt tank and empty it. And when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. So I have on nitrile gloves, a good quality mask, and my safety glasses. And here is this side of the removable floor nozzle attachment, and it does have some wheels on it. And when I was using this on the carpet, I thought that it worked pretty well. I did notice sometimes that it did get a little bit harder to roll, but I thought that overall it worked pretty well. And just be careful when you do this because there are pinch points. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And here is my review of this Bissel Featherweight Lightweight Vacuum. And the model number on this one is model number 2033M. I think that this is a nice vacuum. In my opinion, it is lightweight and it's easy to use. You know, I thought it vacuumed really well. You know, I thought it picked up, you know, like when I was collecting all of that, you know, dust in that area on the exercise mat, on our treadmill mat. I thought that it did a really good job of picking that up. And when I was using it with the handle and the removable floor nozzle attachment, I thought that it did really well too. So there were some areas that, you know, I did have to go over a couple times, like I could see stuff on the carpet. And once I went over it a couple times, it did pick it up. There were some other areas like where there was some fuzz that was tangled up a little bit in the carpet, and it did not pick that up. And it could have been, you know, just, you know, the fuzz was tangled into the carpet pretty good. So it's hard to know for sure, but I thought overall it did a good job. And I like how easy the setup process was, and I like how easy it is to use. I like that it has a handheld mode and how it has a different mode where you can attach the handle with the removable floor nozzle attachment. So when I emptied the dirt tank, I thought that there was a good amount of stuff in the dirt tank for the short amount of time that I did use the vacuum. So overall, my opinion of this vacuum is I like it, and I think that it's a nice vacuum. I think that it does a good job. I would personally use it in, you know, areas that are lighter traffic. And I think that it stores away easy. I don't think that it takes up a lot of space, and I like that as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.